Okay, so welcome back to this video tutorial series. In the last video, we discussed, or I showed you how to import OpenStreetMap's data from inside Blender using the GIS add-on. And today we'll use Cadmapper instead to import street data into Rhino or any other sort of program that you want to use. Bearing in mind, I will only be demonstrating how to use it in Rhino. So what you need to do is Google Cadmapper, and that should come up. One of the first things that comes up. You just click on it. You create an account. It's free for up to 1 square kilometer, and you can have unlimited downloads of those kilometers. You just need to piece them together. So we'll start a file. So it comes up here, you just adjust it to the size that you need. Usually just go up to a kilometer, 1 square kilometer. I'll just keep it just here for now, because that's all I need at the moment. Make sure to set your row surfaces as center lines, because if you export them as meshes, they get really messy. So what we'll do is we'll create file, and you just download that. Just download it, just so it's a little bit easier to file. Open. Okay, so now that we've got all of this loaded in, we're going to start cleaning it up. So first of all, we want to turn off topography and contours, because we're going to make a site model that does not show topography, also building and roads. What we'll do now is we'll grab the major road. We'll select all the curves, and then we'll go set point. Okay, select the random point, and then we'll select all the buildings, and then we'll go align, go front, and go bottom. No, oopsie. I'll select the buildings, align, bottom. There we go. Perspective again, and then there we have it. We have buildings that are aligned to the one plane. This is great. If you wanted to 3D print this, you've got a nice flat topography, or no topography. That's what you're after. What we can do now is just quickly change all the colors. Okay, so now what we want to do is just start cleaning up one set of roads at a time. So if we select objects, isolate, and then we can just go and offset this like that. And then it'll create solid curves. We'll do the thing again, through points, both sides, like so. Do it again. Okay, just create nice flat roads, like so. And when we do this, it'll make it much easier for us to come back and clean it up. Nice lines and nice stuff. All right, yeah, so if you can just keep going. What we'll do now is turn those off and clean these up. I'm sure there's much faster ways of doing this. What we want to do is got these lines, all these markers, because we want to get a surface out of this, so we want to get a nice closed surface. We want to have nice clean lines. Okay, that's not too bad. It can be a bit of a process. Okay, so for the sake of the video, we will close this curve. I've already put a line there, that's fine. And create a closed surface, hopefully. Two open curves. Where are they? Okay. So the problems. Okay. There we didn't trim it properly. That's fine. Okay, and so now that it's closed, we can go surface, and then we have a surface that we can give minus 0.5. There we go. And it's got thickness now, so that show it on the map. There we go. Obviously, we didn't offset those lines as clearly as we should have, but that's fine. Just to show you that process, and you'd continue to do that with all of the curves that you wanted to show within the model.